BitcoinUpBit exchange. This is a step-by-step guide on how to take a fiat loan using crypto on the BitcoinUpBit exchange. You must pass the KYC check before you start. For instructions on how to pass the KYC verification, check our previous videos. Let's get started. How to take a loan. Step 1. Go to the website's finance page and select P2P loans. Step 2. Fill in the amount of fiat you'd like to loan as well as its crypto counterpart and the period of the loan in days. At the moment, the only supported currencies are ETH and BTC in crypto and USD and fiat. Step 3. After filling everything, click on Take a Loan and verify the details of the loan. Step 4. Confirm that you have read and agreed to the platform's terms of use and finalize the loan by clicking on the Take a Loan button. Congratulations! You have now successfully created a loan in BitcoinUpBit. Important: your funds on the main account must be sufficient to pay the security deposit. How to give a loan. Giving a loan is even easier than taking one. In only a couple of steps, you'll be able to do just that. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the P2P Loans page and click on Loaner. Then, in the Loans Admin section, click on Create New. Step 2. Choose the currency you wish to spend as well as the one you wish to take, and then set your loan parameters. Once you're done, click on Create Save to finish setting up your loan. The loan parameters include the fiat amount in USD, percentages, min and max amounts in USD, as well as min and max period of days. Congratulations! That's it! You're now all set to give a loan. It's as simple as that with BitcoinUpBit. In case you have any further questions, don't forget that our communication channels are up and running 24/7. We are always ready to help you.